I just pulled into the Audubon Bird Sanctuary on Dauphin Island, and I'm so excited. This is so pretty. There's a 3-mile national recreation trail that I'm going to enjoy walking. This is a huge migratory stop for, I think, hundreds, at least over 200 species of birds. We are here. Still haven't seen an alligator in person. Maybe I will today. So this is a loop trail, 3 miles, I believe. Today, wow, okay, so there's a bunch of trails. I know that the 3-mile one is the National Recreation Trail. And I think I'll go clockwise. So it looks like the whole loop system is considered the National Recreation Trail. And the whole thing is 4.3 miles. All right. So I'm going to do the banding area and the parts near the beach first so that I get the cooler part of the day. It's like, I don't know, 7:45 a.m. I'd rather do that first so I can be more in the shade as the morning grows on and the day gets warmer. Now, on the National Recreation Trail website, the 3-mile loop was described as all being on a boardwalk. And now, with this map, many years later, it looks like the entire trail system, which is a little over 4 miles, is now included in the National Recreation Trail database. So, sometimes, I'll look for just the original designated trail, and other times I'll do that plus whatever else was added since. It just depends on what makes sense at the time. Okay, Dune Edge Trail. Oh, I see where we are now. There's a campground over there on the eastern, on the other side of the eastern boundary of this area. I see an alligator today. I really want to. I think I did not stay in the sanctuary to walk the beach to Fort Gaines. But for the map, There are sanctuary trails back from here, so I'll be sure to take those. Kind of easy to get turned around on those Audubon trails. So I just checked out the entrance to Fort Gaines. It's $10 to enter. And that's not why I'm here. I don't want to diss history. I love history. But I wasn't, it's not my goal today. Fort Gaines was kind of like a little add-on. So I'm okay not going into it. But for those of you who really like Civil War history, you know, it's here. It's at the eastern edge of Dauphin Island. And you can walk around the outside of it without paying. But you want to go inside, you'll need to pay $10 for adults anyway. Here's me with my sun hat that is losing its shape because I've crumpled it up so much. By the way, I've noticed there are places that sell alligator experiences to tourists. Like they have captured alligators and people can hold their babies. I am so against that. I will never do that. I don't believe in imprisoning wild animals so that people can make a profit. I'd rather see them in their wild habitat or not at all. I somehow missed this trail when I was heading over to the fort, so I'll do it now and then come back and finish the lake. I'm back on the lake loop. Okay, back I go. I want to see an alligator. I don't see any alligators, but I'm kind of close to the water and now I'm getting nervous. Oh. Hi. I'm gonna back up because I'm too close, I think. Well, I've been wondering all about the trails here, and somehow I've managed to do 4 miles, even though I didn't think I had gotten every bit of every trail. I didn't really see any birds besides that blue heron. I did run into birders and asked how they were doing, and they said they hadn't seen anything, so. But still, gorgeous walk. Oh. Okay, so I think this was the original National Recreation Trail right here, and I did all of it just now. And I'm back. And this is a completely full parking lot at 10 a.m. I got here at 7:30 and was only the third car here, so I didn't see any alligators, fish, or turtles, but I saw a blue heron.